name is Ilya Knazov and I'm the bar manager of Light Bar in Shoreditch. The bar is located on Shoreditch High Street, and back in the day it used to be a power station. We chose LYRE'S as a brand because it's very versatile, easy to use in cocktails, and LYRE'S means to us high quality and principles which we put inside your non-alcoholic drinking experience. The ingredients of our LYRE'S cocktail is Italian Spritz, LYRE'S Amaretti, and some lemon, egg white, grapefruit sherbet. We shake it up and we have a fancy fixing on top, which is caramelized grapefruit sherbet for that wonderful aromatics. We're looking forward to welcoming you in the Light Bar to try LYRE'S non-alcoholic.